Welcome to this quick walkthrough showing you how to set up your Fera online account and purchase your first product. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the product you wish to purchase. For the purposes of this example, I'm going to use an acrylamide test. Once I've navigated to my product page, this could be through search in the top right of your screen. What I'll do is I'll click Add to Basket. When I do that, I'm greeted with this screen. What this asks you to do is to log into your account, or if you're a new customer with Fera, set up your own account. So I'll go ahead and click Create an Account as I'm a new customer. So then I'm greeted with this Register a New Customer Account page, where I can add in my contact details, my contact address, my invoice and billing contact details, and my invoice and billing address if these are different. As well as this, I can give my VAT numbers and any additional information that helps us learn more about you and how we can fulfill your requirements. Fera's online accounts require you to add an email and password. This allows you to sign in to your account from anywhere in the world and have a look at your order history, track your current open orders, and reorder any orders that you may wish to reorder. As most of our customers are companies, we require a registered company name. If you're a sole trader or buying on behalf of yourself, simply just enter your name that you've put in your contact details. We also require an invoice or billing contact who will receive any invoice related emails or correspondence relating to your order. This can be your contact details or a colleague's who is in charge of invoicing. We also require an invoice or billing address relating to your orders. You can use your existing contact address as you've input above if this is the same. If not, please fill in these fields. We also ask for some additional information about your business to help us understand and meet your needs effectively. And we also would like to know how you've heard about Fera in the past. This could be through one of our international agents, through the Fera website, or you've met us at a trade event. To prevent non-human signups, we've also added a captcha field into our form. Simply add in the letters or numbers you see within the box next to Reload Captcha. To create a Fera account, you need to agree to the terms and conditions which govern the delivery of Fera services. We recommend that prior to creating your account, you read both these terms and conditions, as well as the privacy and cookie policy, which more specifically covers the collection and use of your personal data. Once you've filled in all of the fields, click Create an Account. Once you click Create an Account, you are immediately brought into your account. This is a great place to check your company details and account information, as well as update your contact address and billing details should you need to do so. From this view, you can also see your current orders and your current samples, as well as the status of these. To continue shopping, simply click the Continue Shopping button. This page shows you all of the Fera tests that are able to be ordered online. Once you've set up your account, you can navigate back to your original product and simply click Add to Basket. Now that you've set up your account, you're automatically logged in and you can immediately begin to add your samples that you will be sending to Fera for analysis. To do this, simply click Add New Sample and select your sample type. Within this drop-down, all of the sample types that are associated with this test are shown. Simply select the sample type you wish to send to Fera for analysis. Once you've clicked this, you will see the minimum sample size required for your analysis for each sample. This is the minimum amount of sample you need to send to Fera Science to allow us to accurately analyze your sample for a specific test. We then ask for your customer sample reference. This is a really good way to make sure that you understand which sample you're sending, and we can associate the results to that sample. We also ask for an expected arrival date at Fera. This date governs the start of your turnaround time for your test and allows us to book in your samples for a timely analysis window. Please note that this shouldn't be the date that you expect to send your sample to Fera. It should be the expected arrival date, including the time in transit. We ask for the country your samples are shipped from. If you're sending food samples from outside the European Union for testing, an import license may be required. Please contact us for more information, and we will apply for an import license on your behalf. If you're sending plant samples from outside of the UK, you will require a letter of authority. Fera are able to send you this letter of authority. Please contact us to learn more about receiving your letter of authority. If you have any notes about your sample, potential processing that's been undertaken upon your sample, or potential packaging, please input these here. If you have multiple sample types that are being shipped from the same country and have the same expected arrival date at Fera, you can duplicate your existing samples by inputting the number of samples you wish to add here. We're able to generate sequential customer sample references to help you identify any samples you're sending us. Once you're happy with the information you've added in about your sample, click Save Samples. You will see a success message showing you how many samples have been saved. Once you've done this, you can click Continue. In this screen, you will be able to review the samples that you've associated with this test. These are the samples you will be sending to Fera Science for us to undertake analysis. If any of your samples require a letter of authority or require an import license, this will be shown here. To request a letter of authority or import license, please contact us and we will issue this on your behalf. Please do not send any samples until you have received your letter of authority or import license. Once you have reviewed your samples, please select Add to Basket. Once you've selected Add to Basket, you will see a success message. Should you wish to see your basket in more detail, simply click View and Edit Basket. Within your basket, you'll be able to view your orders by tests, or you'll also be able to view your orders by sample. Viewing your order by samples allows you to understand more about the samples that you will be sending to Fera Science. Should you wish to edit your samples, you can do this here by clicking on the Edit button of each sample. Here you'll be able to update any information you've associated with your sample and then clicking Update Sample to save your changes. Within the test view of your basket, you'll be able to see all of the tests you've associated with your samples, as well as showing a cost breakdown associated with each test. To proceed to checkout and buy your tests, simply select Proceed to Checkout. Within the checkout, you'll be asked to confirm your contact details. To do this, simply select your contact details and select Next. After you've done this, you'll be asked to confirm your payment method. This can be through a card payment or through an invoice payment. If you are eligible for invoice payments, this will be shown here and you'll be able to pay by invoice. Each Fera online account is subject to a credit check. This allows us to offer you invoice payment terms should you be eligible. Simply select Pay by Invoice and then click Place Order. By placing your order and making a payment, you will agree to the Fera standard terms and conditions for the supply of goods and services e-commerce. You'll also agree to Fera's privacy notice and cookie policy. Once your order has been confirmed, you'll be asked to print your sample submission form. This should be placed with your samples when sending these samples to Fera. You will also receive an email confirming your order has been placed, as well as another opportunity to print your sample submission form.